The camera market is experiencing a massive identity crisis. While competitors push bulky full-frame systems, creators are demanding the perfect balance of vintage analog control and cutting-edge cinematic performance. If you are thinking about buying the Fujifilm X-T5, or if you are considering moving to a heavy full-frame setup, you need to stop right now. Fresh supply chain leaks and newly uncovered factory registrations under the model code FF26001 confirm that a true full-frame killer is preparing for a monumental release this September. Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we are breaking down the fiercely debated, highly anticipated Fujifilm X-T6. We are bypassing the standard marketing noise to dissect a machine engineered to deliver premium cinema specifications inside a highly compact, vintage-inspired chassis. This is not just a minor refresh. It is a complete architectural evolution that fixes every single bottleneck of the previous generation. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly why the high-end camera market is on high alert. To understand why the X-T6 is sending shockwaves through the industry, we have to look at the heart of the machine, the sensor. For years, shooters loved the 40-megapixel resolution of the X-T5, but it came with a compromise. The sensor readout speed meant that electronic rolling shutter distortion and tracking limitations were a persistent headache for high-speed action and professional videography. The X-T6 completely shatters this limitation with a brand-new 40-megapixel, partially stacked X-Trans CMOS 6 HR BSI sensor. Now, you might be asking, what exactly is a partially stacked sensor, and why should you care? A standard CMOS sensor processes data relatively slowly, leading to that nasty jello effect when you pan quickly. A fully stacked sensor, like the one in the ultra-expensive XH2S, solves this but drives the price through the roof. Fujifilm's genius move with the X-T6 is deploying a partially stacked design. This architecture places high-speed DRAM layers directly between the pixel array and the logic layer. The result is a blistering fast sensor readout speed that reduces rolling shutter distortion to near zero without the astronomical price tag. Combine this with the unannounced next-generation X-Processor 6 computational engine, and you have an absolute powerhouse. But Fujifilm did not stop at pure speed. For the studio, landscape, and commercial photographers who demand absolute perfection, the processing power of the X-Processor 6 enables a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode. By utilizing the ultra-precise in-body image stabilization matrix to shift the sensor by a fraction of a pixel between shots, the camera combines multiple exposures into a massive, ultra-high-resolution file. Speaking of image stabilization, let us talk about the upgraded IBIS matrix inside the X-T6. The previous generation offered a respectable 7 stops of stabilization, but the X-T6 pushes the boundaries of physics by offering an unprecedented 8 to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization. This is close to the industry gold standard. For the running and gunning creator, this means you can leave the bulky gimbals and heavy tripods at home. Now, let us tackle the most explosive controversy surrounding this camera. A feature that has completely split the professional photography and filmmaking community right down the middle. Fujifilm has reportedly abandoned the classic 3-way tilting LCD screen of the X-T5 in favor of a fully articulating, multifunctional flip-out touchscreen. Pure traditional still photographers are already up in arms, arguing that a tilt screen is superior for keeping the optical axis aligned during low-angle street photography. However, premium hybrid creators and solo videographers are celebrating. The new fully articulating design sports an upgraded, ultra-bright 1.84 million dot display that rotates a full 360 degrees. If you think the physical design changes are massive, wait until you hear what this camera does for filmmakers. This is where the X-T6 leaps past the competition by a staggering margin. Multiple verified leaks confirm that the X-T6 will feature internal 8K 30p video recording in 10-bit 422 color. It also delivers incredibly sharp, oversampled 4K high-quality video at higher frame rates, completely eliminating line skipping or pixel binning. For creators working in demanding production environments, the camera fully supports F-Log 2, unlocking over 14 stops of dynamic range for extreme flexibility in color grading. Of course, recording internal 8K video raises immediate red flags about overheating. We all remember the thermal issues that plagued early high-resolution mirrorless cameras. To address this, Fujifilm has integrated a highly sophisticated internal passive cooling architecture. Rumors even point to an optimized airflow system that dissipates heat efficiently away from the sensor and processor without bulkiness, ensuring sustained recording times even when shooting high bitrate video in warm environments. To complement this massive jump in video capabilities, the autofocus system has received a revolutionary upgrade. Powered by a dedicated deep learning AI processing framework, the autofocus framework utilizes over 500 phase detection focus points, covering virtually the entire frame. The real-world tracking is incredibly sticky. The AI subject detection algorithm doesn't just recognize human eyes and faces. It instantly locks onto animals, birds, automobiles, motorcycles, airplanes, and trains. For the true hybrid professional, storage configuration is everything. The X-T6 finally upgrades its storage philosophy to match its heavy-hitting data rates. The camera is expected to transition into a dual-card slot configuration featuring one ultra-fast CF Express Type B slot and one UHS-2 SD card slot. This setup gives you the absolute best of both worlds. Despite all these high-tech internal upgrades, Fujifilm has stayed fiercely loyal to its heritage roots. The top plate still features those beautiful tactile analog dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation. It is a shooting experience that forces you to feel connected to the art of image making, a soulfulness that sterile, menu-heavy competitor cameras simply cannot replicate. So, when can you actually get your hands on this beast and how much will it cost? Production registration data points directly to an official launch window of September. As for pricing, considering the massive architectural jump to a partially stacked sensor and internal 8K video, the X-T6 is expected to enter the market between $2,199 to $2,399. When you realize that full-frame systems with comparable video and speed specifications cost well over $3,500, the X-T6 positions itself as an absolute steal for high-end creators. Fujifilm is launching two brand-new X-mount companion lenses right alongside the body. While the exact focal lengths are still under wraps, supply chain insiders hint at a badly needed Mark II refresh of the legendary XF 16 to 55mm f2.8 zoom, aiming for a much lighter chassis and improved weather sealing to perfectly complement the 8-stop IBIS of the new body. This proves that Fujifilm views the X-T6 not just as a quick camera update, but as a dominant platform play for the future of the APS-C ecosystem. The real question is, will you step up to the next generation of hybrid shooting? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button, and hit subscribe to TapTech to stay ahead of the curve on the latest tech breakthroughs. See you in the next one.